Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, it's actually a video request on the AVOV box. I got somebody asking me, they're having issues with it and they want to do a factory reset on it. So I asked a friend of mine and he had one laying around. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset this box. Okay, so this box is pretty easy to restore. All you got to do is flip it around. Right over here, right above the micro SD slot, there's a little slot there. That's your reset. I got a little toothpick here. So it's right over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug it. We're going to press, listen for that little click. Plug it back in. Trying to do this without releasing the button. So as the screen boots up, we should get a message. Okay, got the message on the screen, the release. Grab the remote control. So you're gonna have a few options here. So right now, what we want to do is factory reset it. So we're going to do wipe data and factory reset. Press OK. Go down to delete all user data. Press OK. Just going to wait for this to do its thing. There you go. It's all done. So now we're going to hit reboot system now. Just gotta wait for the box to reload. It's gonna take a few minutes. It's gonna reinstall the program that actually came with the box. And there you guys have it. So now you just gotta follow a few steps. So over here you can pick the language. Go to time. If you got Wi-Fi, you can activate the Wi-Fi from here. And the display. If you need to stretch it, you could do it right here. Screen scale. Mine looks fine. I'm already at 1080p. That's exactly what I want. We turn back out. And then we hit done. And there you guys have it. Now we're back at the very beginning. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.